Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another and yes, today as you can see, we got some big box blessings. Now we got 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, and a 5th box. And this one in particular, this joint right here is a world premiere. And I'm going to be saving these guys for last because, I mean, I'm just honored to be a part of the rollout for this specific sneaker. It is an Adidas consortium release, and there will be a way for you to win a pair of these for free in a giveaway. But I'm gonna hold off on that because we might have some other stuff as well that will be available for a giveaway. So just hold on. We'll get to that in a bit. Now, let's just go ahead and grab this big box right here. We're gonna do some type of a, kind of like the OG unboxings. Blam, big box in front of us, and open these up. Now, this one has been sitting in my house for like, I don't know. And I don't know who sent it to me. I just know it's super, super heavy. It sounds like it's slick up like wood inside of here. And if you sent me this and you're watching, I'm sorry it took me so long. Almost stabbed myself in the face simultaneously and dropped the box, but I'm sorry it took so long. You know, there's some things going on, and I'm finally getting into it. So you guys can see this guy, he's a big boy. He is a big boy. And if we take out some of the extras, you see Timberland and Champion. This right here is what we pulled out of the box. Timberland on the side, lasered in, or I guess on top of this all wood box. Very rugged, very fall. Very nice packaging going on here, and I think I'm dropping pieces. I think I'm either dropping pieces or pieces are breaking off because they've been sitting in the box too long. But let me make sure I share this opening with y'all real quick. If I pop the top off of these, oof, another pair. Triple black. Can never go wrong with all black Tim. So this is apparently a Champion and Timberland collab. All black, Champion logoing on the side, gold foil, black and gold, and it does have the furry guts. It's kind of got the Sherpa guts and white Champion logos embroidered on the top. And not only did they send me the Tims, they even gave me a full Champion and Timberland sweatsuit. I'm very cozy. I appreciate this. Very cozy for the fall. And look at the fur guts. The pile Sherpa guts on the inside of these. The Timberland lace drawstrings, Champion, all on the front, and then of course you got that nice big Timberland logo on the back. So I'm good, bro. I got some nice, and these sweats, I've actually seen these sweats when I was in Foot Locker, and I think they have them in Champs too. These sweats are very nice. Champion and Timberland. Got the flock on the logos, cuffed up bottom with the zippers. Very nice, very cozy. So that's a good way to start off. Brand new Tims, brand new hoodie, brand new suit. So I'm very cozy. Just give me 1 second and let me figure out where to put this now. First box out of the way. Champion, Timberland, appreciate you. I'm gonna get into this guy. And this box right here, I've been waiting on for a little while now. This is my pickups from the Complex Con merch shop. And I do have a good few in here. Just know that I stood in line for a good, I want to say 2.5 hours for them to tell me that some of this stuff had sold out. And I guess people either canceled their orders or stuff got returned. I don't know. And the stuff they were telling me that was sold out restocked, and now it's sold out again. So a lot of this stuff I grabbed just off the strength of I sat in line for 2.5 hours to get this stuff for the homies and the friends, and they didn't even have the sizes and the stuff that I wanted to get for them. So this was literally the last minute pickups at Complex Con. I still got some other stuff that I wanted to show you guys, but this was the super last minute stuff. I mean, the banger is already on the top. This is what I was kind of waiting to get. I guess I can just go ahead and toss it up there so you can see it. If I flip this open, yes, I did get one of the Murakami flowers. Pretty sure this one is the 60mm guy, so yes, I did get a flower. Now, I wanted to get one of these last year, but the colorway that I wanted, they sold out. But I like this colorway. The blacks, the blues, the greens, the pinks. I just wanted one of these pillows. And yes, finally I got one. So out of everything that I got in the box, I'll definitely be holding on to this guy right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right back there. You can sit with the Murakami towel. Now, the rest of the stuff in this box were some of the other pickups I was able to get just a lot of stuff wasn't in my size because everything was sold out. So my whole plans with this just to save me and give me some money back from that time I spent. I guess if you're looking for some of this stuff, I'm just gonna be throwing it up on Bulls Bodega just because, I mean, I waited 2.5 hours to get this stuff and they didn't even have my size. Didn't even have a lot of sizes when I was there at Complex Con. So the first one is this Long Beach hoodie. Now I would take it out of the plastic, but it's really not too much else to it but the front where it says Long Beach. Has the Murakami art all over it, the fire, the flames, the skulls, all that good stuff. So yes, I was able to secure this, but not in my size, only in a size medium. The next thing I got was this, which was closer to my size, but close but no cigar. This right here was the flower hoodie, once again, Murakami stuff. Complex Con 2018, Long Beach, California, and it has a number box to, you know, say how many out of 300. So I guess there was only 300 of these hoodies. I have no idea what number this is just because they didn't even mark it. So flower hoodie blam, and then I had one more pickup, and this was the yellow flower tee. Like I said, man, bro, I was in that line. I was in that line waiting and waiting and waiting, and to wait all that time to get to the front to be told that, you know, a lot of the stuff, they didn't have my sizes at all. I just kind of like wasted my time. Was crazy. This was just the last pickup right here, which was a flower tee. It's in yellow and kind of like a violet purple, a purple colorway, and it's the same as the hoodie. So like I said, I really liked this one. The Arc hoodie was fire, just had to get in a medium, didn't have my size. The flower hoodie was straight, and then you also had the flower tee. But luckily, out of everything, the one thing I really wanted from last year was the flower pillow. So you guys will see this in the background of some of my videos very soon. If you guys never noticed, there is the flower towel from last year back here as well. So those are all the pickups that I was waiting on from Complex Con and Murakami. Now last up, I have a feeling that I know what's inside of both of these boxes. So let me go ahead and move these guys off the top because I need a little bit of room, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and slide over just a little bit. And this, like I said, this is another big boy. Matter of fact, while we got it right here, let me not cut my eyes out. The top, down the middle, and then that last cut right at the bottom, making sure, yes, I'm being not safe right now, cutting towards myself, but we're good. And let's get into this box because this is another heavy guy, and I have an idea of what could be in here. If we take this off, we have more tape, but this tape is not, it's a little strong. There's a purple box on the inside. Oh, yeah. Yep, yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time. Hold on. There we go. Now, what Jordan is coming out with a purple box? What could that be? Let me go ahead and slide it out, and I mean, we can all see it together. There is a lot is going on right here. Tossing this over. Fucking knocked my light over, hold on. So, as I was saying, obviously you got this purple crazy shoebox, champs, a whole bunch of stuff going on, and y'all probably have already guessed what is going on inside this pack. This joint is crazy. Let's go ahead and break off the shoelaces to the front, blam. Go ahead and unlace that, pop this bad boy open, and I wanna get on the inside. I wanna see what is going on the inside of this pack. I really don't want to mess it up, but there it is. That's the inside, all over purple, Concord purple, of course, straight from the good people over at Champ Sports. Fire. Y'all know I wanted to double up, and I get my blessings, but you guys also get some blessings. Sliding this out of the box, be very careful to put this guy back up right here, and let's reveal the contents. Boom. Peel this off. First off, got a nice hoodie on the top. Appreciate you. Black, white, Conqueror purple, Air Jordan hoodie, straight from the homies at Champs. Always appreciated. Another Jordan Jumpman logo. We pull these down, and of course, what else? What else could it be? Secured. Double up on the Concord Air Jordan 11s. Woo, size 12, another one, fresh out the box. Now, you guys see it. I got a pair, which is all cool, and I'm glad to get a pair, but I want to make sure that I could bless y'all with the pair as well. So be looking out on Instagram. What I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna pop this box open and see what's in here, because I believe it's the same exact package, and that's what's gonna be given away. Be following the Instagram. It's going to be going down on IG. If you're not already, just be following Chance and be following at BULL1TRC. That's me, of course. Slight bars. Let me unbox these real quick and see what's in here. So I just managed to open up the other one, and yes, once again, another crazy care package. And like I said, man, a pair of these will be given away for free. Actually, 2 pairs are going to be going out for free, size 10. So this will be one of the pairs that will be given away. Not only we're going to give away the shoes, I'm going to go ahead and give away this box with them as well. So you're going to get this whole crazy package. All you gotta do is, like I said, remember, be looking out on Instagram. I got a size 10 and of course my size 12. Don't worry, more info will be on the way. Just follow me on IG. Let me clean up and then we can get into that last box. And last but definitely not least for this unboxing, blessings on blessings, this right here is the Adidas ZX 500RM, the exclusive Commonwealth collab. Now, if you guys have been following me or watching my videos for a while, you guys know I shop at the local spot Commonwealth all the time. They have a spot in DC, they have a place here in Virginia Beach, and then they also have a spot in the Philippines, and this is going to be dropping on the 8th of December. So yes, I am team early, and also I'm just honored to be able to show off and almost kind of debut the shoe, at least on YouTube. And here they are. I think they did a really good job, and man, fire. And like I said, man, definitely an honor to be one of the first, if not the first person to show these joints off or to have access to them on YouTube. That's very major, and I really do appreciate it. I just want to say shouts out to everyone at Commonwealth for fucking with the kid, okay, for fucking with the VA native. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna switch up the camera angle really quick, show you guys these nice up close and personal, and then we can go ahead and get up out of here. Bling blow. Here they are, official release date on the 8th of December at all Commonwealth shops. ZX 500RM, of course, inspired by the Philippines, LA, DC in a way, and Virginia Beach, just the coastlines, the nice whites, blues, greens, purples, the orange on the back, and they also do come with 2 sets of laces. You got your purple and your orange. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm probably gonna end up switching out to the orange laces just to match up with the heel tab and the little Adidas Consortium tag on the tongue. Not only do they have that, they also have the Commonwealth branding on the other side. As you guys can see right here, just like I said, man, just really good details. Boosted up for sure. Commonwealth tab. It also says for the greater good on the outside of the tab. And man, boosted up, suited up, booted up. These right here, definitely fire. I think they did a really good job with this particular collab. And like I said, I'm just happy to be the first person to unveil it, world premiere. Blam, if you've never seen it, there it is right there. And listen, man, that is going to be it. That is a wrap for today's video. And remember, both giving away concourse and exclusive joints on IG. If you're not already, plug into the IG at BULL1TRC. But hey, that's it. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah blah. Of course, yes, they're here. Bullet RC. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. These good shit. But I'm out though. Peace.